Don't miss out on Black Friday sales. I'm going to show you how to actually make a Black Friday sale so you can increase your profits on Black Friday. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. And also, if you stay towards the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you 2 pro tips that's going to help you during the holiday season. Let's dive in. So the first thing that you want to do is log into Amazon Seller Central. You're going to go to advertising, and then you're going to go to Prime Exclusive Discounts. Once you're here, you're going to click Create Discount. And if we're enrolling in the Black Friday discount, you can just click right here and you can name the discount, right? It's Black Friday 2024. Let's change that. There we go. And then it is a $50 fee, which I do think is pretty good because it's going to limit how many people are running Black Friday deals. If it has an event fee, it's definitely going to mitigate people running deals because it costs money. So the Black Friday deal will probably be more worth it. So you can click on that, and now it's automatically going to fill these out for you. You can read all of the specifications on what you need. Pretty much your listing needs to be 4 stars. So just remember that. It needs to be a 4-star listing. Now you click Save and Add Products. Simply add your SKU here, your amount off your discount price and your minimum price. Add that here and click Submit Products, and then you are good to go. Now, for staying towards the end of the video, what I want you to do is you want to come back to the Prime. Number 1 is going to be stay in stock. So make sure that you have 4 times as much inventory at Amazon as per usual. You can also use Amazon AWD to help you ship in more inventory if you can't. To access Amazon AWD, you're going to go to inventory, and then warehouse and distribution is AWD. So that's going to be number 1. Make sure you stay in stock, right? Usually 4 times as much. And then number 2 is to check if you're running a Black Friday and Cyber Monday deal or one of the other. Make sure you check the morning before. So right when you do this deal, right when you upload it, make sure it says it's active, right? Make sure it says it's good to go. There's no errors, suppression error, right? The day before Black Friday, you want to come back in and check the status again. Just make sure it's all good. On the day, on Black Friday, right when you wake up in the morning, you want to make sure it's active again. So you want to triple check 3 times. Right when you create it, you're going to check. The day before, you're going to check. And the same day the Black Friday deal is running, you're going to check. I can't tell you how many times Black Friday comes along and the client's like, oh, I totally forgot the Black Friday deal, it's not running. And they didn't double check. Right? So let us double check for you, or you can double check yourself to make sure it's running, because sometimes Amazon's like, oops, we made a mistake. Your listing's suppressed from the Black Friday deals and you missed out on Black Friday, and we do not want that. So those are my pro tips. And of course, if you need help selling on Amazon, feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group. This is what we specialize in. Like and subscribe if you learn something new. And if you need our full service management service, that's what we offer. Well, we'll manage your Amazon account A to Z, everything in between, from inventory, counterfeit removal, reimbursements, customer service. Just contact EHP Consulting Group in the description below. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.